Hurricane Beryl is now a Category 5 storm. It has rapidly blown up over the last day and a half from just a tropical storm to now a Category 5 storm. It is the earliest a Category 5 storm has ever formed in the Atlantic. This is the current intensity guidance for it. It's clearly shown that it's going to start weakening as it enters the Caribbean and getting into more of the sheer environment, and a little bit, the water temperature is still going to be fine. I don't necessarily think it's going to weaken that quickly, but the wind shear will get to it and start slowly decreasing its winds as it pushes across the the Caribbean. As you can see here, the track guidance clearly shows it taking it into southern Mexico by Cancun before turning it up in the Gulf. The current problem with the guidance is that we don't know if it's going to turn up towards Louisiana and Texas or if it's going to keep straight towards Mexico. It's been trending a lot more towards Louisiana, Texas, but the consensus is still Mexico, but there's been a trend towards the United States. This is the NHC's forecast cone. You can see hurricane warning out for Jamaica, tropical storm warning for Haiti and the Dominican Republic. As the storm moves across, there is a small chance there will be a major hurricane or Category 2 landfall on Jamaica if it takes the northern track for this storm. This is the chance of tropical storm force winds coming from this system. You can see Jamaica has a 100% chance. All these other areas that have lower chances, that's just because they're farther out. They will see winds of that speed, likely 5-10% chances for areas like Cuba and Haiti and Dominican Republic. These are the predictions. The GFS is way behind on initialization. That's why theirs is so wacky. NHC, I have it weakening a little bit slower, but still basically the same thing as the NHC. NHC weakens it down to around a Category 2 at the time of it passing Jamaica. I have it as still a Category 3, but still weakened quite a bit since then. Take a look at it on IR here. You can see those insanely intense cloud tops right there. And just the general structure of this storm is very compact. It's a very small storm, but it's very intense too. And it's just a very nice looking storm, very symmetrical. See that buzzsaw look. It would not surprise me if this storm hit 165 to 170 throughout the night or into the morning before it starts its weakening phase. This is a storm that everyone on the Gulf Coast and in the Caribbean needs to be careful and watch out for. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching.